Hello! Now we will learn how to initialize our HPLC system. Before doing any work, the system must first be initialized. Let's see how to do that step by step. First, you should know about the reservoirs. Let me explain. There are 4 reservoirs, A, B, C, and D. One of them contains a methanol water solution, which is used for washing. You may see green and white lines. These are connected to washing solutions. The methanol water mixture is mainly used for rinsing, such as seal wash and needle wash. When you clean the syringe or injection system, that washing is done separately. When you turn on the system, the main screen appears. You must follow a few steps every time you start the system. Step 1. Go to Diagnosis menu. In the Diag menu, you will find options such as Prime Seal Wash, Prime Needle Wash, Adjust Seal. You only need to use seal wash and needle wash. When you select needle wash, you will see buttons for start, halt, and close. The wash runs automatically for 30 to 40 seconds. Do not stop it manually, let it complete. Each morning before running your test, do the prime needle wash 2 or 3 times. It improves your test results. Once finished, the close option will appear. Click it to close the process. Step 2. Prime Seal Wash. Next, click on Prime Seal Wash and press Start. You can stop it manually, but it's better to let it finish automatically. This process washes the seals properly and gives you better results. Seal washing usually takes 20 to 25 minutes. It removes any buffer or salt deposits that form in the lines during continuous HPLC operation. These salts build up around the junction areas and can block the lines, causing plunger overpressure errors. That's why daily seal washing is essential. Step 3. Sample tray and injection details. In the Auto Sampler section, you will see trays labelled A, B, C, D, and E. Each tray holds 24 vials, so in total there are 120 vials. When you select tray A, it moves automatically. You can fill your vials and note their numbers. The system will take injections from those vials according to the vial numbers you enter. The default injection loop size in water's HPLC is 100 microliters, but you can change it to 50 microliters, 200 microliters, or 250 microliters as needed. For example, for low-strength tablets like 2 milligrams or 5 milligrams, you may use a larger loop, 200 microliters, to get a stronger response. Step 4. Cleaning and maintenance. If your injections are irregular or incomplete, check for loosened fittings or salt deposits. You can open and clean the needle or loop gently using filtered water. Do not over-tighten when closing. Regular cleaning prevents pressure and injection issues. Step 5. System Components Overview. Pump section uses 4 reservoirs, A, B, C, D, for solvents. Column oven. The column is placed here. You can check its temperature with a thermometer during calibration. Detector. Usually a PDA detector, but others, like RID, can also be used. Inside there's a D2 and W lamp and a flow cell where light passes through the mobile phase for detection. Step 6. Turning on the system. Make sure the Wi-Fi module, the system's main communication module, is turned on first. Then turn on the Alliance unit, and finally, the CPU. Always power them on in this order. Step 7. Reservoir settings. You can set solvent ratios manually through the menu. For example, Reservoir A acetonitrile, ACN. Reservoir B water. Reservoir C methanol. Reservoir D washing solution. Keep these fixed to avoid mixing solvents that can cause blockage. Always use water for washing if your buffer is water-based, because salts dissolve in water, not methanol. Step 8. Shutdown and storage. When shutting down the system, wash the column and lines with 100% water for 20 to 22 column volumes. Then run 30% methanol plus 70% water for 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, wash with 100% methanol to remove impurities. If you will not use the system for a week or more, run 100% acetonitrile, ACN, before shutdown. This prevents bacterial growth, which happens if water remains inside. So, if you're closing the system for holidays, finish with ACN, not water. Thank you very much.